Hey, welcome back to the Hobbit House, folks. Look, light! I got the sun tubes in, so we can see what we're doing in here. Hey? Yeah. And as you can see, we got a little insulation, a little vapor barrier. Got the start of a shower here. It's time to unbox the new Panasonic. These things are great. It's whisper quiet. And you know, not like whisper quiet, but 3/10 of a tone. And this model here is fully automatic. Got your motion sensor, occupancy sensor sort of thing. Mounts in the center of the grill. Turn on when anyone walks into the room. You set how long it stays on after that happens from, let's see, nothing to an hour. Several increments there. And also the humidistat. It'll run until it's dry enough in here. And look at this. Wonderful, deep, smooth, quiet, powerful blower. This is the 80 CFM model. It's set up to take either a 4 or a 6-inch duct there. Got your usual check flap. And sturdier than the usual too. There's your grill. There's where the occupancy sensor goes. And I think maybe I'll install this a little later. But right now I was just after this box. It's a great box too. Time to gather us some tube connectors here. You know, schedule 40 PVC fittings. Primer. Well, that's all of it. See what a perfect box Panasonic makes? If I can't build something out of that, I'm going home. What a sun tube mess. Just an aluminium duct with a mirror finish. But before any of that plumbing, let's go right to ducting, which is kind of a flimsy sheet metal substitute for plumbing. We are here in the stove area, and we'll have one of those microwave hoods here, and we need a duct to vent that outdoors. So I'm just going to put up a bit of a support here for that. So, you know, the microwave will have an output about this size, and then we'll go up and change to a 7-inch round duct. And there's a big pile of it, and there's some more over here, and some elbows. But first, new electric panel. Let's check that out. It looks like they look. It's Murray, which is Siemens. 100 amp, 20 space. Ideal for an efficient home or rental cabin. Got our separate ground bar and neutral bar. Bondable, but we won't be doing that. And that'll go in my utility room. Right about there. Or somewhere around there. Might be over there a little. I don't know. We can do whatever we want. It's plywood. Of course, there will be a wall and a door on here, which you can see if you watch, what is it, the first or second Hobbit video. And the highly attractive door there, they kept it gray. Again, as in other Hobbit cabin, the hot tub power supply right out here-ish somewhere, and running under the deck to the hot tub over there somewhere. Anyway, back to that ducting. We need a starting point here. We're gonna make a box. We're gonna make a box up here where our curved drywall will end at this box for running duct through. So I need to make this piece 32 inches long and carve about 1/4 inch of it out where that duct transition piece will go. In the middle of this thing we need a 1/4 inch deep 10-inch slot to mount this thing and have it be the correct distance off the wall. So this being 32, make a 10-inch slot. It will go 5 each way from 16 here, that being 11. I'll give it a little extra space. And 5 over here, 21 and a bit. Check your work. 10.5, perfect. I'm just gonna freehand this because somebody left this nice unbeaten saw lying around. It's all square and such. Let's just plunge cut that. I just changed my head here. Oh, I got the new angle drill thing review to come, but it's not looking too bad. Alright, we got things happening here. I've got this piece carved. Supports this range hood ductwork here. And this is the bottom member of a box we'll build up to the ceiling here to enclose this ductwork neatly. And the curved sections of drywall on each side here will run into the side of it. I had that screwed up there and made this piece. That'll get us up into the ceiling from that. And I have support blocks installed on an even slant over this piece, which was fun to wedge in there, on our way to our utility chimney. We've got water lines in for the kitchen sink here, which will be a corner type. I've begun extending our vents up into the ceiling where they'll be tied together. Got some light boxes on the wall there. Over here, got the laundry box assembled with drain, trap, vent, and that's going to go around the top plate in this case because this is a very important structural wall, and we can cover that up because this is where I'm putting the golf cart batteries for the solar array. Over here, got this vent extended up for the toilet. And I've just begun with a vanity drain and vent. Okay, so I'm just lining up with this 45 here. To drill through this stud. Right up there. Somewhere in that neighborhood. Alright. Now to drill this slanty hole, I'll extend my pilot bit out as far as it will go, which is actually not a pilot bit, but a regular 1/4 inch bit. So it's longer. That's probably far enough. Oh yeah. Alright. There, I'd say it gives the clearance to get the pilot started at a 45-degree angle. Go a little bit straighter than that first. And bend it up there. Alright, looks like a good start. Just line this up once. And then is the skill part. Looks like it came out pretty close there. Right about the time the top end of the hot saw bottoms out. It's time to chip this out of here. Hey, what am I doing? We got these things now. There we go. Hey.